Hello YouTube, this is the video review of the Intex Aqua Star HT2. The phone is very cool and have a very good amount of at a price at rate of this. You can see the phone is where the cover come with the specs at behind and the value and the values at the left side of the box. Near down you can see that the phone has a 12-inch HD screen, IPS screen. That means it has a 5.0 inch screen and 1.2 gigahertz quad-core processor, which is really good at this price rate. And the ROM and the RAM, as you can see there, it is ROM and RAM, 8 GB plus 1 GB RAM. Dual camera, the front camera has 8 megapixel and the rear camera can click 5 megapixel. The battery is okay, that is 2000 mAh battery, and it runs on Android KitKat. And the nothing else to see. As you can see, the proximity sensors and light sensor are given here. It has a IPS display. Now I'm going to open the box and show you inside what comes inside the box. As you open the box, you get the phone. Here is the phone. Let us keep the phone aside and see what comes inside the box. You can open, and the first thing in opening that box, you get a battery, and I think this battery should be 2000 mAh. Let's see the battery. And I was right, it was 2000 mAh polymer battery. Now you get some user manuals, like user manual, uh, Aquastar 2 app manual. You can read as you get time, and warranty card also comes inside the box. And now I am going to show you what comes in another box. In another box, I think you will get a USB cable, a USB cable. And let's see what is this USB cable. A USB cable you can get, and it is a 3.5 cable, and a earphone for audio jacks. And it is, I think, the earphone is the original, and it has got a microphone at the earphone plug, and the earbud are very pretty. Only this much. And a charging port, which I think which should be a charging port, which should be two 200 mAh charging port. Yes, it is one AR. That is pretty good at this range. It is fast charging. Now I'm going to show the box. Let us keep this all aside and going to show the box and the unboxing of it. Let's keep this aside. First you get the phone. The phone the phone is good and have a front cam sensor at the back. And बंद कर बंद कर हमें हट दिया हट दिया now I'm going to show the phone. It comes with a silver look at back, and which is very, without the battery the phone is very light. It has a front cam at the front, as you can know, and speaker is at the back, and Intex logo. It is a very good Intex logo. I love this logo. And the headphone jack is at the bottom, and okay, the audio jack is at the top of the button. It has 8 megapixel camera with flash and speakers. Now let us put battery in it. The volume locker and the power button is at the right side of the phone. Now I'm going to show the Intex start up the phone with the Intex software. Let us start and put a battery in it. Just wait a second. I am putting the battery. I have installed the battery in it. Now I'm going to start up the phone. The first thing, start up at when you press the volume key, it just vibrate and let it be just vibrate. And the first thing you can get is the Hello Android, because it runs on Android software. Now the phone is starting up. Just wait. The branding came, and the Ripple logo of Intex has came. The branding and Intex logo. Just wait. The phone is starting up, and the phone is just start. The phone has started, and now I'm going to show the specs. I have just set up the phone so you can see all directly. I have not installed battery in it. Now the phone runs on Android Cricket and has a very fast processing. The process is very fast, and I'm going to show the setting on Android running on. So you can see Android from more you can get that tethering of Bluetooth, Wi-Fi port, this all. And add down now the in setting I will show the Android. It runs in Android KitKat. Now here is a very user manual that you can select it wisely and personal. And in more you can have a see to about phone. And about phone, the Android is yes, I was right, it runs on Android KitKat. So you can see the key logo and Android logo 4.4.2, and the model name is, you can change this model name as you need, but now it is not available because of the developer option. The ROM comes inside. Now I am going to show that how many storage comes within the 8 GB. Yes, you get 5.02 GB available for user. Now the phone is very good, and it, you can adjust the gesture also here from the gesture port. Enable the gesture function, and you can see the main gesture for WAM and messages, cameras. Now I'm going to show the camera quality of the phone. The camera quality at the back, it has a 8 megapixel camera with flash. The camera it is the front cam. As you can see, the camera does take tap at the camera and it takes the photo. Now going to show the now I'm going to show the camera quality. Just click a picture from it. Yeah, we have to first adjust the flash. Now I'm going to take a picture. The autofocus is very good. It just focus in 1 second and click the photos. You can see the clarity. I'm going to show the clarity comes with a very good and very pretty amount of clarity it has. Now I'm going to show the specs. The core processor of them, it runs on 1.2 gigahertz processor. It runs on 1.2 gigahertz processor and a very huge memory. The power saving option is also there. You can save your power mode if you have. It is a best gaming phone in price range of, I think it is about 7,000 of price range. The networking comes with Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and more. Now that's all guys. I will give the gaming review on another video. Thank you, and have a nice day. Give a thumbs up, subscribe my channel, hit like, comment, and thank you.